We'll start new chapter. What is the new chapter? This is a chapter number 6. Directional cosines, directional ratios. Okay. Directional cosines, directional ratios. Now, what is the meaning of this? I've got 2 points in a plane. It is a 3-dimensional, sir. So to make you understand, we are writing like this: x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Okay, generally in 2-dimensional, m is called slope given by tan theta, or it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is what we are learning in 2-dimensional. 2-dimensional is tan theta y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But in 3-dimensional, it is not tangent, sir. It is called cosine or directional cosines. First we write directional ratios. Directional ratios. We call it as in terms of dr. Remember, whenever I am saying it is directional ratios, dr means directional ratios. This is given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. What is the formula? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And what is the directional cosines? We call it as dc. This is given by x2 minus x1 by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, right, comma y2 minus y1 by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Last one, z2 minus z1 by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So here directional ratios is simply difference, numerical difference. And what is the directional cosines? You have to divide the root. Okay. Generally, DCs are denoted as cos alpha, comma cos beta, comma cos gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are angles with x, y, z axis. It is with x, y, z axis, and we declare L is equal to cos alpha and M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. So cos alpha is denoted as L, cos beta is denoted as M, N is denoted as cos gamma, such that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So here these DRs means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. DCs are divided by that square root value. And in terms of angles, once angles are given, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Angles made with alpha is angle with x axis, y axis, z axis. And L is denoted as cos alpha, it is called as L, M, N. And what is the condition? L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. These are the formulas which we will be using here. Okay. Now, if P 1, 4, 5, Q 2, minus 7, 6, find dr and dc's of PQ. dr and dc's of PQ. Now solution. dr of PQ. What is the P point, sir? 1 comma 4 comma 5. What is the Q point? 2 comma minus 7 comma 6. Therefore, we know PQ DRs of PQ is just numerical difference 2 comma minus 1 minus 4 6 comma minus 5, which is nothing 1 minus 11 1, right? Just numerical difference. Then DCs of PQ. Okay, DCs of PQ. So what will happen? 1 by root of squared is 1 plus squared is 121 plus 1. Squared is, squared is, squared is. Next one, minus 11 by 1 plus 121 plus 1. Next 1 by 1 plus 121 plus 1. So this becomes 1 by 123, 1 minus 11 by 123, 1 by root of 123. So that, okay, next. If P is 2 comma 3 comma minus 6, Q is 3 comma minus 4 comma 5. Find DRs and DCs of OP comma OQ, where O is the origin, right? So O is what, sir? 0 comma 0 comma 0. P point is 2 comma 3 comma minus 6. Q point 3 comma minus 4 comma 5. Therefore, DR of OP. Okay, just numerical difference 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, minus 6 minus 0. So this becomes 2, 3 minus 6. Same values will come because origin is there. Therefore, this is of OP. So 2 divided by square of this 4 plus 9 plus 36. Next 3 by root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Minus 6 by 4 plus 9 plus 36. So what will happen? 2 by 49 means 7. 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7. Next O is what, sir? 0 comma 0 comma 0. Q is what, sir? 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 5. So DRs of OQ is equal to 3 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0, 5 minus 0, which will give you 3 minus 4, 5. Therefore, DCs of OQ. Same procedure, service, only numbers have changed. 3 by 9 plus 16 plus 25. Next one, minus 4, 9 plus 16 plus 25. Then 5 by root of 9 plus 16 plus 25, which will give you 3 by root 50 minus 4 by root 50, then 5 by root 50. Right? So here with origin we are finding, here with the points only. These are important. Okay, please note down. Next. Next. Find the directional cosines. Directional cosines of the sides of a triangle with 3 comma 5 comma minus 4, minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 and minus 5 comma minus 5 comma 2, minus 5 comma minus 5 comma minus 2 as vertices. Look at here, right? Now I am drawing a triangle A, B, C. What is the first point? 3 comma 5 comma minus 4. What is the B point? And what is the C point? Minus 5, minus 5, minus 2. Now AB. I am taking first vertex AB or side AB. So what is the A point? 3 comma 5 comma minus 4. What is the B point? Minus 1 comma minus 2. Therefore, dr of AB. So what will happen? Minus 1 minus 3 comma 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus of minus 4. Difference are minus 2 minus 4. This is minus of minus become plus, so it becomes 2. Therefore, DC of AB. So what will happen? Minus 2 by 4 plus 16 plus 4 comma minus 4 plus 16 plus 4 2 by 4 plus 16 plus 4. So this becomes minus 2 by 24 minus 4 by root 24 2 by root 24. Right, next side BC. Okay, next side BC. What is the B point? Minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. What is the C point? Minus 5 comma minus 5 comma minus 2. So dr of BC. Directly I am writing minus 5 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So it becomes minus 4. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 2 minus of minus is 0. So I am directly using sir minus 5 minus of 1. Therefore, DC of BC is equal to minus 4 by 16 plus 36 plus 0. Then minus 6 by 16 plus 36 plus 0. Next one 0 by root of 16 plus 36 plus 0. So this becomes minus 4 by root 52 minus 6 by root 52 0 by root 52. Don't bother about simplification sir. Just you have to find this is. Next side AC. So what is the A point sir? 3 comma 5 comma minus 4. And what is the C point? Minus 5 comma minus 5 comma minus 2. Right? Therefore, drs of AC. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 minus 2 minus of minus 4 will become plus 4. So it becomes 2. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10 2. Therefore, DCs of AC minus 8 by 64 100 plus 4. Next one minus 10 by root of 64 100 plus 4 2 by 64 100 plus 4. So what will happen? Minus 8 by 168 minus 10 by 168 2 by 168. So here we got this model you have to remember sir, because we have to use this type of concepts finding the angles also. So we have to find individual, like assuming that 2 points we are using. Okay, please note on this. If a line, look at here, there are 3 problems. If a line makes pi by 3 with OX comma OY axis, then find angle with OZ. Okay, now this is wrong. Let solution. What is the angle with x axis? How much he has given? Pi by 3, which is 60 degrees. We say alpha. With y axis, pi by 3. Again it is 60 degrees is equal to beta. We know L is equal to cos alpha, cos 60. So 1 by 2. M is equal to cos beta is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. L square means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus N square is equal to 1. 2 by 4 plus N square is equal to 1. N square is equal to 1 minus 2 by 4, which is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, n is equal to root of 1 by 2. So n is equal to what, sir? 1 by root 2. So plus or minus I am writing. So n is equal to what? Plus or minus 1 by root 2. But what is n? Cos gamma. What is that? N is equal to what? Cos gamma. So cos gamma is equal to what, sir? Plus 1 by root 2. And cos gamma is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So for what angle of cos you get 1 by root 2? 45 degrees. Therefore gamma is equal to 45 degrees or 135 degrees. Okay, in trigonometry you will learn how it is coming. So what is the angle? 135. Therefore with OZ, what is the angles? Pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Why pi by 4, sir? Pi by 4 means 180 by 4, which will be 145 degrees. And 3 pi by 4 means what, sir? 3 into 180 by 4, which will give you 135. So that's why we have to write in terms of pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. So he has given pi by 3, and he is asking to find with OZ. Use the concept here. Okay. A line makes, next, if a line makes angle 90 degrees, 60 degrees with OX and OY axis, then find angle with OZ. So given alpha is equal to how much? 90 degrees. Beta is equal to how much? 60 degrees. So we know L is equal to cos alpha, cos 90 is equal to 0. What is cos 90? 0. And what is M? Cos beta, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So here cos L value 0, so 0, M value 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus N square is equal to 1. So N square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So N is equal to root of 3 by 4. So N is equal to root 3 by 2 plus or minus. So N is equal to what, sir? Plus root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2. So what is N? Cos gamma is equal to root 3 by 2 and or cos gamma is equal to minus root 3 by 2. For what angle of cos you get root 3 by 2? 30 degrees or it is 150 degrees. Either 30 or 150. Therefore this becomes what? Pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. Okay, again pi means what? 180 by 6 is 30. 5 into pi by 6, 180 by 6 is 150. Okay, alright, please note down. Are you ready? Next, find the DCs of a line which makes equal angle with axis. Okay, solution. Given equal angle. This is a statement. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. You say this is theta. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Everything is equal to theta. So L is equal to what, sir? Cos alpha, which is cos theta. And M is equal to what, sir? Cos gamma, which is cos theta. N is equal to cos delta, sorry, cos beta, cos delta. Cos gamma is equal to cos theta. So all of them are equal to cos. We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. We know. So L is what, sir? Cos square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 3 cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. So cos theta is equal to what? Plus or minus 1 by root 3. Therefore L is equal to cos alpha, cos theta, which is 1 by root 3. M is equal to is also cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. n is equal to cos theta, which is also 1 by root 3. So all the three values are equal. So here alpha, beta, gamma is theta. So substitute the values. Okay. Right. Next, if alpha, beta, gamma are the angles with x, y, z axis, then find sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma value. Right? Now solution. So L is equal to what, sir? Cos alpha. M is equal to what, sir? Cos beta. N is equal to cos gamma. We know these values. L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. And also we know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So L square means what? Cos square alpha, cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But we is asking sin square alpha. So cos square alpha you know very well, 1 minus sin square alpha from trigonometry, and cos square beta 1 minus sin square beta. Next 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 1. So if you open the bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus sin square alpha minus sin square beta minus sin square gamma is equal to 1. Bring all this minus this side. So 3 minus 1 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. So I am bringing all the term this side, 1 this side. So 3 minus 1 is what, sir? 2. Right? So he is asking what is the relation now? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is always 1. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is always 2. Okay, note down this. Whatever we have discussed up to now, it is only 2 marks. Now there is a 7 marks question from this chapter. Okay, how it will be? Look at this problem. Find the directional cosines. DC means directional cosines of the lines given by relation L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and Mn minus 2Nn minus 2Lm is equal to 0. Go through this video as many times, sir. If you got any doubt, you can ask me, okay, or you can put in WhatsApp so I can explain again. Now what is the given? L plus M plus N is equal to 0. 0. So L is equal to minus M minus N. You call it as 1. Look at here what I am doing. So L is equal to what, sir? Minus M minus N. Put in Mn minus 2Nl minus 2Lm. Wherever L is there, you have to replace this. So Mn minus 2N into L is what, sir? Minus M minus N minus 2M into is equal to 0. Okay. So Mn minus of minus become plus 2Mn plus 2N square plus 2M square plus 2Mn. So I open the bracket. So first we'll write M square 2M square, then Mn 1, 2, 3 terms are, so it becomes 5Mn plus 2M square is equal to 0. Now factorization, 2M square 2N square, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Look at here, 4Mn plus Mn plus 2N square is equal to 0. So 2M common, M plus 2N plus N common is equal to 0 into 0, 2M plus N is equal to 0 or M plus 2N is equal to 0, N is equal to minus 2M or M is equal to minus 2N, right? Now look at here, first condition. n is equal to minus 2m. Put in 1. What is the first equation, sir? L is equal to minus m minus n. N value what we got? Minus 2m. So L is equal to m. You got L value, m value, n value. Now what is that we got? N is equal to minus 2m, L is equal to m. Now, therefore, drs of the line. What is that we write? Drs of the line L1, L is to m is to n. Okay, L is to m is to n. So what is the here? What is L value? M. What is m value? We did not got. But n value what we got? Minus 2m. Okay, so we are writing drs. We are not writing dcs, sir, because it is a ratio. We are writing ratio. L is to m is to n. So what is L value? We got m. N value we did not got, but n value minus 2m. Cancel m, sir. So 1 is to minus 2. Therefore, DCs of the line is 1 by root of square of this, square of this, square of this. So 1 plus 1 plus 4. Next one, 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 4. Next one is what, sir? Minus 2 by 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 4. So this becomes what, sir? 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6 and minus 2 by root 6. So what I have written here, drs means ratios. I am writing ratios of the line. Okay, ratios of the line is L is to m is to n. What is L value? We got m. What is m value? We did not got, but we got n. So we have written L in terms of m, n in terms of m. So we got 1 is to minus 2. So this is will be, we know, drs we know, divide. Next, again, second case. What is second case? M is equal to minus 2n. Again, put in 1. Put in 1. L is equal to what? Minus m. M is what? Minus 2n minus n. I am replacing m, sir. So this is minus of minus become plus. So n. So L is equal to n. Again, drs of the line. Again, L is to m is to n. What is L value? N. What is m value? Minus 2n. N value we did not got. Whatever values we are getting, we are putting here. L value what we got? N. What is m value? We got minus 2n. So this will get cancelled. 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. What the value we got? 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. Therefore, this is of the line 1 by 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 2 by 1 plus 4 plus 1 and 1 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 1. So what will happen? 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6, 1 by root 6. So here we have to use this concept. Many times he has given for 7 marks. Please note on this.